Hi you guys, Denise Walsh here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one thing that I'm doing more recently to make decisions. Previously, I would ask, I'd ask, I'd say, should I do this or this? Should I be friends with this person or that person? Should I move? Should I not move? And then I'd wait for the answer to come to me. More recently, however, I found a new strategy that actually makes the answer come much more quickly. But before I dive right in, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release a video. All right, so I have to tell you, my old way wasn't bad. There is a sense of journaling, intuition, allowing yourself to get quiet so you can allow the answers to bubble up for you. All good. But more recently, what I've learned is that sometimes there's not a right or wrong answer. It truly is a 5-lane highway taking us in the direction of our dreams. And sometimes you just got to pick a lane. So when we're talking about should we do this or that, should we be friends with this person or that person, should we move or not move, what do you want? What do you want? And then pick a lane and then be 100% in that lane. Because when you're taking action and you're moving forward, for me, I found that's when the how shows up for myself. That's when 2 + 2 doesn't equal 4 anymore. That's when the unexpected comes into my path. But I have to be moving for that to show up. And then I can use my intuition, my gut feelings, those times of allowing my intuition to bubble up and be loud. That guides me on the path. But what I've learned is that in this 5-lane highway, you can't really mess it up. You don't do it wrong. You just pick a lane. Start taking action there, and the how will guide you along the way. Now, do I still connect with my intuition? Absolutely. Every morning, I have my devotional times. I'm journaling, I'm praying, I'm meditating, I'm connecting. I'm using that as my GPS system for taking action. But what I know is that the how, the answers don't just come to me. They are brought into my path when I have picked a lane and am moving in that direction. I hope that this was helpful. If you want more free resources, then check out my podcast, Dreamcast. It's on all major podcast players, as well as the Dream Life Daily, or the Dream Life Action Planner, which is a PDF download that, in my opinion, answers most questions, which is like, how do I do this? I'm so busy, I don't have time. How do I fit one more thing into my day? But I want life to be different. The Action Planner is a strategy that allows you to create and craft your calendar so you actually take action in the places that matter most to you. I hope that this was helpful. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.